Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Mini Cooper S Clubman Signature. This comes in this ivory exterior with a black interior. Cooper S, Clubman, and Mini badging. Trunk. Rear seats. Quick look up front. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, we have our ignition here. Mileage in this vehicle is 36,507. We've got our navigation here. Radio and backup camera, climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.